In today's fast-paced world, IT software projects are the backbone of many businesses. Managing these projects requires a blend of technical skills and managerial expertise. Project management in IT software development is crucial for delivering high-quality software on time and within budget. This involves planning, scheduling, resource allocation, and risk management. Effective project management can lead to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved team morale. It helps in maintaining a clear direction and focus throughout the project lifecycle. Understanding the principles of project management can transform how software development projects are executed. Planning is the first step in any successful IT software project. It involves setting clear goals and defining the steps necessary to achieve them. Thorough planning helps in identifying potential challenges and finding ways to overcome them. A well-structured plan lays down the foundation for the entire project. It outlines the scope, timelines, budget, and resources required. Setting realistic goals is crucial for keeping the project on track. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Effective planning also involves regular monitoring and adjustments. Defining the project scope is a critical step in project management. The scope outlines what the project will deliver and what it will not. This clarity helps in managing client expectations and avoiding scope creep. Scope definition starts with understanding the client's needs and requirements. It involves detailed discussions and documentation to ensure everything is captured accurately. Project objectives are closely tied to the scope. They define the specific outcomes that the project aims to achieve. A well-defined scope and clear objectives provide a strong foundation for the project. Setting realistic timelines is essential for the success of any IT software development project. Unrealistic deadlines can lead to rushed work, errors, and burnout among team members. Timelines should be based on a thorough understanding of the project scope and complexity. Breaking down the project into smaller tasks and assigning deadlines to each task can make the timeline more manageable. Regular reviews and adjustments to the timeline are necessary to stay on track. Flexibility in the timeline allows for better handling of unexpected changes. Resource allocation assigns the right resources to the right tasks. This includes human resources, equipment, and budget. Efficient management is crucial for smooth project execution. Understanding team skills is essential for effective allocation. Assigning tasks based on expertise ensures high standards. Budget management tracks expenses to stay within budget. Regular adjustments address changes in project scope or timeline. Risk management is an integral part of project management. It involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks. Effective risk management addresses issues before they become major problems. The first step is to identify potential risks. Assess risks based on impact and likelihood. Develop mitigation strategies for each risk. Regular assessments keep the project prepared. Real-world examples highlight the importance of project management in IT software development. Infosys uses project management techniques to deliver complex software solutions on time and within budget. Tools like Jira, Trello, and Microsoft Project are widely used. They help in planning, tracking, and managing projects. Features include task assignment, progress tracking, and resource management. These tools improve project efficiency and coordination. In conclusion, mastering project management is essential for IT software development success. It involves thorough planning, defining scope, setting timelines, managing resources, and mitigating risks. Effective management ensures projects are on time, within budget, and meet client satisfaction. It improves coordination, enhances productivity, and helps achieve business goals. In the competitive Indian IT industry, efficient project management provides a significant advantage. By adopting best practices and using the right tools, Indian IT companies can enhance project delivery and drive success.